Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche you didn't say goodbye. I've been waiting for so long, still debating what went wrong. All by myself, you pulled away, you couldn't say what we were struggling with. It's one of us, it's obvious, but who's to really blame? There's an aching in my heart, all the questions that I've got are keeping me up.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today's video is a decorate with me. I'm decorating my glam coffee bar for Easter. I hope you enjoy. I have a couple of little corners in my home that I like to decorate. So I started here with my 3-tiered tray. I then added my coffee machine as well as this beautiful round silver glam mirror that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. Also from TK Maxx, I got my very first Ray Dunn mug. How adorable is this, guys? And I love how it came in the baby blue. I also added this But First coffee mug, which is from Ali Fashion.
There's no way to save your heart, you just gotta play your part.
To the mirrored tray, I added this adorable baby blue cake stand, which was from last year at TK Maxx. Also from TK Maxx is these beautiful little napkins. How cute are these, guys? I fell in love with them instantly because I wear glasses as well, and I thought they were so cute. Now, you know your girl Shell loves her TK Maxx, and this is also from their Easter collection. This is the cutest thing ever, and I usually add some little treats in here, guys, but I was out of them today. But I wanted to share with you this most adorable mini pot. And to glam things up once again, I added this most beautiful glitter bunny. He's from Woolworths. Now, I'm really loving those adorable little decorative spoons everyone's decorating with on Instagram. I managed to pick up these two cute ones on eBay. I then went in and added these beautiful lace Easter eggs that are from Target Australia. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up here, guys, but they also have silver glitter throughout them, and I thought they'd make a perfect addition on my silver tray. I then added to the back my But First coffee sign, which was a purchase from TK Maxx last year. And to the top of my tray, I added this sparkly glam little bunny, which is from Bed Bath & Table. Also from Bed Bath & Table, I also used these beautiful gold glitter Easter eggs, and I added them around the little bunny. Now, I also love to decorate my kitchen with dish towels for the season, and I added these two adorable little ones from TK Maxx.
Heading for the street into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame.
Guys, I absolutely love decorating per season. It's one of my favourite pastimes. And using a 3-tiered tray, I love using different techniques to give a different look. of my 3-tiered tray, I added this turquoise mug and I filled it with my coffee pods. With Easter almost here, I love to be prepared for each season, and I love styling my coffee bar in so many different ways. I also love to decorate with a marble tray on top of my hot plates. This one is from Kmart Australia. I started with my TK Maxx polka dot kettle at the back. I also added these beautiful white flowers and these beautiful marble coasters. And guess what, guys? Where do you think they're from? I'm just that crazy girl that absolutely loves TK Maxx. This video is definitely not sponsored by them. I'm just probably their biggest fan.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar.
Guys, do you absolutely love shopping for coffee mugs? My daughter laughs at me because constantly I bring home another one. She tells me that we need another kitchen just to cope with my coffee mug collection. As you can see, I have quite the collection, but aren't they the cutest, guys? I really can't get enough of coffee mugs.
Try to be cool.
Now, Australia has just gone into the first few weeks of autumn here, so my family and I are definitely looking at having lots of more warm beverages. My favourite at the moment, guys, is this beautiful Nescafe butterscotch latte. It is beautiful, and I love making it and adding beautiful little marshmallows to it.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me...
I love to decorate my cute little coffee mugs by adding whipped cream to the top of my beverage.
My friends, you are nothing like them.
I also love to add to the top sweet little marshmallows. I picked these ones up recently from Woolworths, guys, and they were in the shape of bunnies. How adorable!
I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate your coffee bars this season. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
To do everything you said you would.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Pictures of sunny days with your smile.